In front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Security. Now tap on App Lock, select Enable, and click on one of those options. You can lock your apps using lock screen password or create custom PIN. I will set up custom PIN, so I have to click on it and create it. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. And answer this security question. If you don't like it, click on it, pick one of those, or choose custom question and create your own. Then hit OK, and remember to answer it correctly below. When you finish, click on Finish. Then finally, you can pick any of those apps and click on the switchers next to the chosen ones to lock them, like App Gallery. So when I click and try to access App Gallery, icons that PIN is now required. If you want to disable app lock from any of your apps, access the same settings and enter your chosen login method. Then click on the same No Blow switcher. You can also disable app lock completely by clicking on this switcher next to app lock feature, choosing Disable in the pop-up, and entering your PIN or login method one last time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!